hell no. Look at you. Damn.
Hello, gentlemen. You may be wondering why you are here, but I can assure you that there is a very good reason. You each hold the key to each other's survival. How you play is up to you. I can also guarantee you that you won't believe how it ends. The trap in front of you is Shit. Damn VCR ate the tape.
Hey, who are you?
My apologies for being rude. I am chainSAW.
Hey, I know you. Those other guys. You tortured them.
You need some fixing, man. You got problems.
I can't be fixed. I have cancer. The real question is, how can you be fixed?
Huh?
Lucky for you two, I have just the thing. Now before you jump to conclusions, think very hard. You don't want to make a wrong move and miss out on the key to your freedom.
Well, where the hell's the key?
Oh, I think it is closer than you may think.
Why are we here, anyways?
Yes, my new high score.
Yeah.
Whoa! Another strike!
Yeah, I kicked ass.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, but you only get a spare, because I deserve to win.
Yes, sir.
Today's high score is 300 by Zach in lane 18.
Yeah, champion of the world. Are you serious? This is about bowling? Get a life, dude.
And why the hell am I here? I didn't even cheat.
Aiding and abetting.
Oh. Shit. Are you serious?
Okay, fine, you got me. Ooh, I cheated. Now what? Do you want me to, like, eat some jello or something? Just like the last guy?
No, let's play Monopoly. Can I be the top hat? I want to be the top hat.
Think this is funny, eh?
No, I know where it is. It's in his pants. I mean, damn, man, what the hell do you want?
What do I want? I want to play a game. See the track above you? It leads from a box. Inside the box is a 10-pound bowling ball. The track is aimed at each of your groins. It splits into a Y shape with a switch to change direction. You are both in control of the damage that's about to occur. Next to each of you is a button. Pushing it will cause the track to change direction and cause extreme agony.
You gonna hit us in the balls with a ball? Are you crazy?
No, just pissed. I got my score skillfully. You were a cheat. So now I'm going to cheat you of the one, two things you treasure the most.
God damn it!
Which one of you will take the blow? Let the game begin.
Zach, we have to think this through.
Well, I'm not taking it, I know that much.
You bastard, I'm not taking it.
Are you kidding, man? Yours? Sean, not with my balls.
Pick up my little Sean.
This is interesting.
Shit, that's getting closer.
Cut it out!
Oh, damn, man, I give up. I'll take it. Shit.
Sweet.
Game over. Nice.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Now let me out, old man.
Not so fast.
What?
You see, this test was always meant to find out who was the more selfish of the two. This just goes to show the type of person you are. You let your friend get hit in the nuts with a regular ball. What you didn't know is that the key to free you is located inside that ball. Now before you jump to conclusions, think very hard. You don't want to make a wrong move and miss out on the key to your freedom.
Well, where the hell's the key?
Oh, I think it is closer than you may think.
You bastard!
So you see, this was always your game.
You said it was game over!
Yes, I was speaking to your so-called friend, but your game has just begun.
What do you want me to do now?
Do? There's nothing you can do. You see, you deserve this. Behind that box is a much larger box. No! Yes! Enjoy your game, you selfish bastard. Game over. Oh, shit. Oh.